Okay, we're at the off-leash beach with, there's Oliver and there's Brandi. Off she goes. We're having a blast here. Oliver, bring the stick. Oh yeah, he's having fun. Way better than the dog park. Off-leash, under the bridge. Brandi's one of Brandi's favorite spots right here. And off she goes. Off they both go. Oh boy. What's this, Oliver? Look at that stick. Brandi? Brandi, come here. They're having a blast here. Oliver. Brandi, come here. Here's Brandi. There's Oliver. Hi. What's going on? Let's get the stick. Let's get it. Oh boy. Oh boy. What's this? Oh boy. Yeah, you sure like that stick, don't you? Okay. Here we go. Brandi, look. Oh, here's the stick. Here's the stick. There she goes. There, she's got it. What are you doing, Oliver? There you go. Into the water? No? He wants that stick now. You guys stop fighting over it. Oh, it's okay, Brandi. Here. He's pretty chill. Brandi goes in the distance. Oliver, where's your stick? Hey? Where is it? You got one over here too? Well, fun day at the beach with Dog Walkers Vancouver.